easy go.
Ya oke guys, balik lagi bersama gua Sailor Gaming. Oke, di video kali ini gua bakal melanjutin game Alan Wake kedua guys ya. Dimana sebelumnya kita udah nyelidikin nih kasus pembunuhan Casey. Nah, sekarang kita bakal melanjutin lagi guys ya, kasus pembunuhan Casey yang lainnya guys ya. Kita langsung aja ke videonya guys, let's go. Oke, jadi kemarin kita dari sana tuh guys ya, ada si Nightingale yang tidur di sana guys. Oke.
Stepping to the murder site, I'd felt it hanging in the air. A meaning, the violent emotion of the act, like a cloud of wrath. The dead eyes of the victim staring at something you couldn't see, and yet making you aware of it. Something had soaked into this place on a molecular level, overlapping with your meaningless existence. Regression to something you had managed to forget, marking you, taking you for a ride, making you crazier.
Kok makin gila. Oke. Masih di stasiun kita guys ya. Ini ada, oh ini kan, lihat sini guys. Nggak bisa. Oke, kita bisa upgrade kan ya. Word of God. Chris knockback, oh ini bagus guys. Iya. Word of Fix. Increase maximum ability. Oh ini aja guys, biar tahu maksimum HP-nya guys ya. Maksimum HP-nya kita tambah. Oke, nggak ada. Kita harus mana nih? Keluar kan? Gitu apartemen. Kita keluar guys ya. Ke
The
apartemennya si
station had
Alan.
changed. I was closer now.
Writing is the key. Art is the key to find my way out of the dark place. I can't forget this. Don't you fucking forget this. I'm in the dark place. I'm outside time and space. Imagine an ocean of darkness. Remember, its dark energy can make art come true, make dreams and nightmares come true. Yes, I can use this. I need to use this. Hungry, monstrous things out there, trying to stop me, to devour me, become me. Oh no.
Itu guys, ingatannya si Alan mereka. Jadi tuh kayak nggak tahu ingatannya si Alan Wake atau gimana guys ya, pokoknya dia itu kayak masih nulis gitu guys.
Parliament Tower, our home in New York. Was I really this close to being home? Going up to our apartment?
Pasti depan itu
Would I
guys.
be home? Or was this just an echo of the real thing? Even then, the murder site had brought me one step closer to escape.
Ada telepon.
The payphone at the edge of the plaza was ringing again.
Hey, Alan. Thank God he picked up. I thought I lost you again.
Who are you? Why are you helping me?
Did you go deeper? To the overlap?
Are you talking about the murder site? Yeah, I did.
That's fantastic, Alan. We're closer to getting out. We're making progress.
Well, we would be if you would answer my damn questions.
Last time we spoke, you were pretty worried about Alice. Did you ever check Parliament Tower? To make sure she really got out of the dark place?
Well, of course she got out. That's why I'm here. That's the whole goddamn point.
Be very careful, Alan. The dark presence is stealing from you. It can already manifest as your double. Scratch will...
Wait, hello?
Dark present mengikuti kita ya, so. Kita harus kesini guys. Parliament Tower.
Writer. The writer. Maybe he was a victim. The cult, using his words. Or maybe he was the monster behind it all. Either way, Alice Wake, his ex, she knew things. It was there in her art for all to see. A cry for help. The darkness she'd witnessed. And that put her in danger.
Was Alice here? In the story?
Alice Wake. Oke, kita naik berarti guys ya. Lantai berapa? Oh, haunting. Haunting apa berburu ya?
Alice's photo equipment. Set to go off when the door opens.
Get out! Leave me alone!
Alice! Alice!
Oh shit.
Alice.
Big portable exhibition poster.
This is a photo of Scratch. How did Alice get this?
Yang biasa
Is he
jump
stalking her?
Oh, ini bukan jam sekarang. Oke, ada apa lagi? Oke, nggak ada apa-apa ya.
This is the door to my study, where I wrote my books. This symbol wasn't here before.
Ada sesuatu kecil.
Alice's video camera. No memory card inside.
Aku cari memori dulu. Kita cari memori dulu. Pokoknya video up on the screen of the darkness.
Part 1. What was Alice working on?
Coba kita masuk ke meja.
When I was younger, photography was everything to me. I moved to New York thinking I'd make it as an artist. And then I met Alan. We had a good thing. We were both dedicated by our creative ambitions. The only difference was that Alan's work made money. He brought me work when he could. I took his promo shots, created covers for his books. I'm sure he forced his publisher into it. I was taking photos, just not my photos. And that gnawed at me. Things got complicated sometimes, but that's life, right? We loved each other.
Cintai.
Then Alan hit a block. I brought out a meaner side of him. One I didn't like. I set up a trip to see a doctor in Washington. I didn't tell him until we got there. We argued. things went wrong. Penny was just gone. Drowned, allegedly. It's easy for people to think it was my fault. Hell, I do too sometimes. About 6 years ago, I started hearing noises in the night. Typewriter keys clacking. Voices. Alan was back. Haunting me.
Dekatku.
Then it got violent. It was Alan. And yet, it was a monster. He always did have anger in him. I set up cameras around the apartment with motion sensors and flashes. Now, when the monster comes, I turn it into art. My nightmares caught on film. And this is the focus of my new exhibition. To show people the world is so much darker than they ever knew. I'm calling this exhibit The Dark Place.
Which
Alice. Scratch was terrorizing her. Why?
lain ini sialan yang jahatnya. Oh,
I sat in the writer's room and wrote a story. Initiation. To project myself through the dark place, to look for a way out. The story had brought me here, brought me nowhere. Looped me back. I was writing the story. And in the story, I now stepped into the writer's room. But there was no one here writing it.
ada dua. Tiga satu. Alat beda. Kesurupan kan? Kayak kesurupan gitu sih Alan. Oke, kita skip aja. Apa ini balik pakai saga lagi kan?
Okay, let's recap what you've told us so far, Alan. For the past 13 years, you've been trapped in a nightmare dimension called the Dark Place.
Yeah.
It's like New York, but it's not New York. And can be reached from the bottom of Cauldron Lake, but it's not really under the lake. And after all this time, you've managed to get out.
Yeah.
But so has your evil doppelganger. Mr. Scratch? Or is it the Dark Presence?
Both. It's interchangeable. He's Scratch when he looks like me, but he can change into this other form.
And Scratch, the Dark Presence, wants to rewrite the world in his own image.
Which would be in your image, as he looks just like you.
And turn the world into a fucking nightmare.
During Deerfest, which is scheduled to take place in a couple of days. You got out of the dark place by writing a novel, The Pages We've Been Finding. But your double edited it into a horror story that's now changing reality, taking over people,
Yeah.
making them crazy, bringing the dark place to Bright Falls.
Yes, fiction coming in contact with the dark place can change reality. The story is coming true, soaking into everything like darkness when night falls. But last time
This will be back in 2010.
yes, last time it didn't happen all at once. The story came true bit by bit as it unfolded. And that dark presence was still bound to the lake. I stopped it before it got the ending it wanted. Before it broke free. Based on that, there's still time.
Which brings us to your magical light switch.
The clicker. Magical doesn't quite cover it. Scratch wants it to bring about his ending. That can't happen. If I can get the clicker, I can send him back to the dark place, make all this shit go away.
Clicker.
Look, I know it's batshit crazy. My memory is full of holes, and I'm not sure how much I can trust. It's like a half-forgotten dream.
Ya, babarengan lagi minum ya. Kebiasaannya si Saga sama si Casey ya.
Mr. Wake. Alan. We've seen our share of batshit crazy in the past 24 hours. What I want to know is, why am I? Why are we written into the story?
I think I saw you. Or a vision of you in the dark place. I think you helped me reach out and escape somehow. With that in the story, Scratch would have edited it to get to you. To hurt you. We are all in danger.
Kita semua dalam bahaya. Bahaya apa? Oke, kita mulai lagi ya guys ya.
It's insane. And there's so much of it.
Oke. Cashboard.
Wake just gave us a lot of information. But this clicker seems like a good place to start. If we find that, then we find the cult.
Oke, kita disuruh cari the clickers. Apa itu the clickers? Jantung Nightingale. Baik.
Nightingale goes missing for 13 years, shows up murdered, and then turns into a monster. After I stop Nightingale, a rider who's also been missing for 13 years turns up. What's the connection? What kind of case is this?
Oke. Ada lagi? Ya. Oke.
The pages we've been finding are from a horror story called Return, written by Alan Wake. And the contents of this book are coming true. Why couldn't it have been a romance?
Horror Story. The place. The place. Set right. The story changed how I did get playing it in the color is really impressive. Yeah. So the strike route into the first. Or in Norwich. How to enter. Okay, habis. Script. Script besok cara lagi tes. Okay.
Have you ever heard of the Cult of the Tree?
Creepy bunch. In the habit of wearing deer masks, performing murder rituals, victims turning into monsters possessed by darkness, possibly inspired by a horror story written by a certain author. Ring any bells?
The cult. Yes. Yes. They have the clicker.
If the cult has the clicker, does that make them Scratch's followers? How are you so certain they even have the clicker?
They could be working for Scratch. I don't remember. It's all confused.
Alan, if I'm gonna act on this information, you need to be honest with me.
Yeah, of course.
Is he confused? Or is he hiding something?
Oh, not known.
Wake said the cult has the clicker. How does he know?
The writer is the reader. The next chapter, the next chapter, the next chapter. Keep the pages safe, the dark shining of the words.
Wake is hiding pages. That's how he knows the cult has the clicker. Wake has a double. Mr. Scratch. Where is he now?
A cloud of wrath wears my face. The dark place in your place. Scratching out my body of work.
Scratch is here. In Washington.
Shit, fuck.
He's hunting Wake.
Dia mau Wake.
Scratch looks just like Wake. Why?
Don't wake up the dreamer if your life is a dream. I swam to the shore, but the water is rising.
Wake and Scratch are clearly connected. Maybe Scratch got out because Wake did. Or vice versa.
Jadi si Scratch ini aja kayak menyerupai si Alan gitu. Entah mukanya, entah penampilannya.
Okay, Mr. Wake. I know you have more pages of the manuscript on you.
You don't understand how vital these pages are. They're the only way I can know what's coming.
You're not the only one trying to solve this. This is our job.
Okay. Here. Now, this is all I have. Be careful with them.
Thank you.
Inside the trailer, at the outskirts of Watery, Saga had seen Wake's fabled clicker for the first time, in the hands of the Cult of the Tree. A cultist stared at her. She drew her weapon.
Oke, tunggu sebentar guys ya, gue mau ke kamar mandi. Oke guys, kita lanjut lagi guys ya. Manuscript. Profil. Oh, ada gue siap. Tidak mau scroll ke bawah.
Wake has more information. I need to keep questioning him.
Mana nggak bisa ngapa-ngapain. Apakah harus ke dashboard lagi? Oh iya, betul.
The cult of the tree has the clicker Wake told me about. They're a part of all of this.
Code of the tree. The record is full of scratch that need to flicker after all. Ini bukan shit. Oke. Oke, nggak ada lagi.
It's all on the page. The clicker, the cult. Okay, I'll head to Watery and find this trailer. Casey, you stay here and keep an eye on Mr. Wake.
Got it.
No, you need me there.
No dice, pal. This is an FBI investigation, and I don't see a badge on that flannel.
From now on, you can switch between Alan and Saga stories via the bucket in the janitor breaks down. Feel free to play in whatever order it is. Oh, ini kah? Oh, jadi ini kalau kita mau pindah dari Saga ke Alan atau Alan ke Saga nih, kita tinggal tekan ya. Nanti dia bakal langsung pindah sendiri guys ya, dimanapun dan kapanpun.
You wrote these pages in the dark place. So why are we finding them here?
I think I wrote them. I remember writing an endless amount of pages. But when this happened before, the pages were being sent from the dark place to help me. Maybe the same thing is happening here.
That's all for now, Mr. Wake. Thank you for your cooperation.
Masih atas kebersamaan. Oh, sudah lagi. Kan. Ya agak susah guys, agak bingung guys. Taruh mana? Oh, di sini tembusannya di villa itu guys. Terus kemana nih? Drive to Watery. Ya ini orang masih joget aja nih dari kemarin.
Hello and welcome to Coffee World, located Washington's best coffee-themed amusement park.
Kita harus ke mobil berarti guys ya. Ke Watery. Tempat baru lagi ya, Watery.
Yeah, Anderson, I didn't want to say this in front of Wake, but are you sure this is a good idea? Going on your own?
Assuming we believe the page, I need to check this out. We need to find the cult. Anyone we meet here could be a member. And this Scratch guy.
The evil doppelganger? It must be true, or else this guy can't write for shit.
The quality of his writing aside, if this page turns out to be true like the rest have, this could be a breakthrough. We might solve this thing before backup even arrives.
Yeah, but they're taking their time, so just be careful out there. Meanwhile, I think me and Wake will have a chat. Maybe I can shake something loose.
Okay. But remember what happened with the salt shaker?
Yeah, real funny.
The page placed me in a trailer, somewhere in Watery.
Watery. Apa tempat apa
I should
lagi?
ask around.
Watery. Local girl.
A vote for
God, it's
Mayor
so good.
Setter is a vote for everyone. For water.
Mayor Seta will stand up for justice.
Stand up. Stand up comedy.
The flooding is even worse here. More like underwatery. I'll have to tell Casey that one later.
Hey, what did
Mana
you used to
pengen
say your dream job was as a kid? I bet it wasn't dockworker.
nggak ada item guys ya. Kita harus ngapain ini? Aksuran about the trailer. About the trailer. Suruh nanya sama siapa kita nih? Gak bisa ditanya. Lah si janitor ini, si Akti. Si janitor.
Oh, excuse me. Do you know where?
Auntie's in the middle of a show.
I wonder if I'm the first FBI agent to ever get shushed.
Kok ada si Akti ya guys? Hanya di situ si Akti. Medso. Mau tempat save. Map. Jauh banget muternya ini. Ini kita suruh kesini kan, ke trailer park ini kan. Jangan ke sini cuy. Muter jauh banget. Gila.
Hello.
Can
Do you have a second?
Ah, long time and no see, Miss Anderson. Thor and Odin are not here. They are old tricksters always sneaking off.
Odin.
Sorry, no, I wanted to ask you about something else. Can you point me to any trailers around here?
Sure. Watery Lighthouse Trailer Park. Ilmo Koskela owns it. Owns many things in town.
And where is Ilmo?
I saw Ilmo and his brother at the bridge. Well, what used to be the bridge.
Kau harus ke
Do you
jembatan.
live around here?
I live in Bright Falls. You've seen me around. I am Mr. Blum. You call me Vladimir. I work at a nursing home.
Vladimir Putin.
I take care of your old people. We are on day trip, music, sauna, the good times. I bring them here in the bus.
The elderly are very important. And it's a very nice bus. Thanks.
Gue mau save dulu aja guys. Oke, gue save dulu. Yo, halo guys. Sorry guys ya. Kemarin gue waktu recording emang gue lagi gak enak badan banget ya. Jadi kalau kalian notice, nih gue udah ganti baju guys ya sama yang kemarin. Jadi kemarin gue udah ini guys ya, apa namanya, kurang enak badan dan gue nggak kuat buat maksain guys. Jadi gue terpaksa berhenti rekaman dulu, baru sekarang ini sempat rekaman lagi. Jadi kita lanjutin aja guys ya. Kalau nggak salah kita di sini disuruh nyari trailer kita ya guys ya. Trailer. Oke.
A trailer park.
Nah,
Ilmo Koskela.
trailer park.
He's that tour guide we met at Cauldron Lake. I need to find him.
Ya, coba
Mom's
gua
family was from
kecil guys ya,
Sweden.
terus ya.
I've always imagined it kind of like this. Saunas, lakes, enjoying the sauna.
You bet.
The steam is amazing on my creaky old joints. I'm just waiting for Ati to wrap up his show so we can crack open some beers.
I've read that taking a sauna is good for preventing dementia.
Yeah, and so is beer.
Ever heard of the Cult of the Tree?
The half-deer, half-man monsters? Oh, sure I've heard of them. They're the reason I can't risk taking walks in the forest anymore. If one of them shows up, how am I supposed to get away? I can't run with a bad hip. I'd be killed for sure. I could maybe use my crutches to defend myself. Do you think that'd work? You're the professional.
Probably smart just to stay in the sauna for now.
Oke. Pada progress.
Hey, Seva, the sauna doesn't fix what ails ya. You're a goner.
They also say silence is golden.
Oh, ada item guys. Ini kan sauna buat cowok ini. Kenapa lu masuk ke situ?
Whew. Hot.
Panas. Oke, kita lanjut guys ya. Kemarin tuh kalau nggak salah kita harus ke jembatan ya guys ya, ketemu siapa itu kemarin, saya lupa juga. Jadi guys, kita ketemu sama mereka ini guys ya.
Hey, Saga! Over here!
Hey, Ilmo. How did your walk in the woods with Steven go?
Another satisfied customer. I just hope he remembers to write a good review on the webpage. Great to see you back in Watery, Saga. Everyone in town missed you. Super nice to see you again, Saga.
They act like they've known me for years. This keeps happening. You own the trailer park, right? Mind if I take a look inside?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the owner of the Watery Lighthouse Trailer Park, me, can help you with that. It's good to have our funniest resident back.
Resident? I don't understand what you mean.
If this is your way of getting out of any outstanding bills, don't worry. They've been handled. Must be hard coming back to where you and your little girl lived.
It's like they remember a different reality. Is the horror story messing with their memories? So what is Coffee World?
You mean you haven't seen our commercial for it? Coffee World is a smooth blend of rides, food, and fun. We even had a real moose. Until recently. Plus, right next to Coffee World is the workshop of our own Kalevala Knights Motorcycle Club. We're busy building the floats for Deerfest. Don't go peeking, though. You know, we're saving the big reveal for Deerfest.
So, your commercials?
They're more than commercials, Saga. Our goal is to both entertain and educate local viewers about the fine products and services we provide. And Yako here really comes alive in front of the camera. Really. Fuck off. I'm just there for the free beer. Not sure what Ilmo's excuse is. Hey, I'm writer, producer, co-lead, director. Do yourself a favor and check them all out.
Are you familiar with the Cult of the Tree?
Yeah, we always thought it was an urban legend. Kids drawing creepy symbols to scare each other, but now it's gotten pretty damn real, huh? It's terrible what happened. We're all in shock.
Well, we're looking into it. Hoping to get things back to normal soon.
We're all for that. As normal as it ever gets around here.
I'm missing something. I should try profiling.
Oke, kita cek profilnya si Ilmo. Jadi itu kata si Saga itu seolah-olah tuh mereka tuh udah kenal Saga bertahun-tahun aja sih. Padahal si Saga ini
Trailer park is a good
baru
place to look
ketemu
for a
sama si
trailer.
Ilmo ini.
Keep it simple, Saga.
Keep it simple. Fact versus fiction.
Wade says the story will change reality around us. If that's true, then I need to know what's real and what's fiction.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the owner of the Watery Lighthouse Trailer Park, me, can help you with that. It's good to have our funniest resident back.
The story. Oh, for later, guys. For profile itu, guys.
Elmo thinks the cult is just an urban legend. Or does he?
There are things that go bump in the night. It's all true. It's all true. Sound the alarm, brother. Gather the troops, brother. Yako, the shadow of the forest is creeping closer.
They don't think it's an urban legend at all. They understand it's dangerous.
The trailer.
Ilmo made it sound like I lived here. Does he really believe that?
Light, laughter, and love will guide you home. Saga and her daughter. Oh boy. Happy faces raise property value. Family comes first, Ilma. We take care of her trailer while she's gone. She's one of us, Yako. Her spare key is safe and sound.
The Koskela brothers have happy memories of me living here. This must be the story affecting them. I'll play along for now. I need the key to that trailer.
Oke, kita butuh kunci untuk ke trailer itu siapa?
All joking aside, yes, I would like to see my trailer. Do you have a spare set of keys?
Good for you. Yeah, I have a spare set. They're just over at Coffee World. I'd get them for you, but Yako and I have to head to Bright Falls. The spare keys are in the gift shop safe. I'll call ahead and have someone get them out for you. Oh, the road's flooded, but if you just follow this trail behind me, it'll lead you there. Call the gift shop so they can give Saga a hand. Yep.
Flooding did this?
Oh, ini banjir jalan guys ya. Jadi kita harus mutar ke sini.
Nothing?
Slow hiking.
There's Coffee World. Need to get across the river.
Oh, itu kan. Apa itu taman bermain ya? Oh iya, taman bermain kayaknya guys dari suara-suara. Kayak ada hitam. Just getting full, you can push the break from the store. Jadi kalau inventory kita penuh bisa disimpan guys ya di tempat chef itu dia ada boxnya itu.
What was that?
Apa cok? Apa itu?
FBI, show yourself!
Itu cepet banget guys. Cepet banget tuh cok. Mereka membelah diri guys ya. Ayo reload dong. Lagi.
More people turning into Taken. Is this the cult? Or the story? Or both?
Cepet banget deh guys pergerakannya guys. Kayaknya kita rajak sana ya. Kita lihat kita dulu. Sana. Wah gila sih itu guys kalau ketemu lagi guys. Baru tinggal 7 lagi. Dia ada foto-foto. Kayaknya harus muter ya.
The cult is leaving supplies around for themselves.
Condo. I found out that they had taken over by the video tower. Plan was plus if not I release propane probable gas canister. Jadi itu dia kayak semacam bom, terus kalau nggak salah itu di lempar terus ditembak kalau nggak salah guys ya. Coba nanti kita pakai guys, kayaknya dia bagus kalau misalnya lagi ramai itu lagi kumpul kita lemparin itu aja nanti kalian. Oke, kita lewat. Coba cek. Saatnya kunci guys. Oke, jangan ada jam sekarang ya. Habis nih guys, ini sih guys, harus dulu guys. Obat sebenarnya oke, kita dalam jam sekarang. Dua. Oke. Nah ini guys, kalau sadar tahun siap. Tapi masih ada splash tinggal, terus lain. Kita lihat lagi siap.
Another locked box.
If you take the crossbow out and put it back in the stash waiting on kotak killing siang. Dia akan mengambil anak panah keluar hit back in the stash ketika kamu selesai. Oke. Oh ini nih. Ini 1, ini 2, kalau ini 3 berarti 5, 2, 5, 2, 3. Oke. Masih gampang ya sudah katakannya. Dapat crossbow guys. Coba. Yang ini kita taruh di sini ya guys. Kita lihat taruhan kita masih ada 2 device. Sama Oke, coba kita cek sih. Ini apa masalah ya? Jadi kita cek ke radio awal polisi terus ini bisa ngobrol guys ya. Maksudnya ini masuk semua kita bisa.
For those of you just tuning in, you're listening to the Pat Maine Radio Hour, brought to you by Davis Family Roast Jerky. And boy, what an eventful day here in Bright Falls. By now, we've all seen the FBI.
There's something written here. A poem? Or a riddle? Creepy dolls? Mysterious rhymes? No weirder than anything else going on, I guess. A little clothespin doll. Perfect weird souvenir for Logan. Reminds me of the nursery rhymes I read to Logan when she was little.
Saturday, Central and for a nice place to eat and play. Quality never came home and two of their tribes all day. Ya, teka-teki guys ya. Nice place to eat and play.
Doesn't make sense. Something feels different. I should look around.
Mana kamu? Kemana kamu serigala? Sini.
Ah, can't forget the dolls. Might need
Belum mati. Bagus ini guys. Ayo
It'll go great on the bracelet Logan made for me. Huh. That was strange. Gotta keep an eye out for more of these rhymes. Another one of those lunch boxes.
Oke, buat kalian yang mau baca tinggal di pause aja guys ya. Kan tadi ada. Jejak jejak kayak mana lagi? Charm. Emang tadi ada ya? Sebentar gue cek dulu guys.
Doesn't make sense.
Dear doll. Oke, habis guys ya. Cari dia doll. Nah, dia doll tadi guys. Ini kok dia doll charm. Gua harus masukin lagi ya. Ini kok gak ada charm. Ini kita charm. Mana guys nih? Oke, nggak ada guys. Kita lanjutin aja guys ya. Baru gue paham. Oke, kita mau shotgun aja kan bisa. Nah, sih tadi kan ada satu orang tadi tuh yang pakai rompi tukang parkir kali ya. Ya tulis. Kita dapetin aja guys. Baru kita senterin, baru kita shotgun kepalanya guys ya.
Broken.
Salah pencet ya guys. Salah pencet. Gua harusnya tadi tuh pencet spasi guys, mau dodge gini guys, malah pencet kontrol. Gua kira lagi main PB guys. Ya untuk kontrol ya. Nah itu mah shotgun juga nggak satu hit ya guys. Kira bakal satu hit kan pasti kepala kan. Ternyata 30 juga. Oke, pada sesuatu sih ada di sini. Coba taksir guys. Oke, seperti biasa ya kalau tenda pas orang camping.
Another Alex Casey lunchbox?
Alex Casey, Alex Casey. Mobil. Oh, ada perahu guys. Perahu ada yang bebek-bebekan, main bebek-bebekan kalau Zaman gua tuh namanya bebek-bebekan guys, walaupun bentuknya bukan bebek tapi namanya tetap bebek-bebekan. Pelan-pelan juga siap-siap ada sesuatu. Soalnya peluru gua habis nih guys. Gara-gara nembak-nembak serigala alat banget. Serigala nggak mati-mati.
Hello? Anyone here? No. Did they get out? Did the Taken get them? Or were they turned into Taken? I'll need to get the key to the trailer park myself. Ilmo said the key is kept in the gift shop safe.
Gift shop. Berarti kita ke gift shop ya guys ya. Kita ngambil kunci trailer. Transport. Oh ini gift shop.
Locked.
Mantap.
Need something to jimmy it open with. A list of maintenance work. A screwdriver. Huh.
Oh, screwdriver. Speaking on LED Lagon Cardi. Treatment the balls. Less but now. Convert control job. Remove convict screwdriver for the penny in there. Oke, berarti kita suruh cari screwdriver ya guys ya. Screwdriver atau obeng guys. Apa ini guys? Menarik. Tadi gua di situ ngeliat ada box ya guys ya, sama ada itunya tuh.
There's another cold stash.
Only strip cups. Strip cups. Garis. Strip cups apa strip cups? Strip cups itu berarti cups itu gelas ya? Gelas berstrip atau gelas bergaris. Oh ini kan? Oh ini kali guys nih. Satu. Yang strip ya guys ya. Oh ini ya. Itu satu. 4. Ini berapa ini? 147 guys. 147. Oke benar. Oke dapat pouch. Gini kan enak jadi muat banyak. Oke nggak ada apa-apa lagi guys ya. Mau aja nih gue nih. Jam percolator. Tempat aman nih guys ya. Oke, kita lagi nyari screwdriver aja sih. Screwdriver mana sih? Man, oh ini keluar. See you later. Good morning. Kalian kalau mau baca tinggal di pause aja guys ya. Oke, exit. Oke, sebentar lo guys ya. Oke guys, aku udah balik guys ya. Kayaknya gue bakal akhirin gamenya sampai sini dulu guys ya. Karena gue lagi ada tujuan guys ya. Jadi, nah, kapal gue ini baru selesai bongkar guys. Jadi persiapan guys dulu guys ya dari pelabuhan guys ya. Jadi mau ini gue harus save dulu dan gue bakal cukupin apa ya bahasanya. Kita udahin dulu ya video Alan Wake kali ini guys ya. Jadi kita lanjut di next video aja guys ya. Gue lanjut guys. Oke guys, jadi video Alan Wake kedua yang kali ini gua akhiri sampai di sini dulu guys ya. Buat kalian yang suka dengan video ini bisa like dan di subscribe guys ya, supaya gue makin semangat bikin video lagi dan channel YouTube gue makin berkembang. Oke, kita jumpa di next video guys ya. Bye bye.